Well, I've got the 190 XT back in the shop. When I was adjusting my toe in the other day, I found an issue that needs to be addressed, and I'll show you what that is right now. Okay, here we are underneath the tractor, and this is the pitman arm, the inner tie rod ends, the steering ram. Looks like I got another oil leak there I need to deal with. But anyway, this all pivots on this pin here, and I noticed when I was setting the toe in the other day that yeah, this isn't supposed to move. This is welded on the top, and oh, let me get around here. And there's what it looks like on top. It looks like somebody has worked on it before. It looks like it's been welded, and it's discolored there like someone has heated on that. So see if I can, you can see where the weld is broke loose. And yeah, I don't like that. Need to do something about it. So just for comparison, this is my 180, which has pretty much the same axle under it as the 190. And here's how that's supposed to look. And I assume what the axle under my 190 originally looked like. So I'm not sure quite what's going on with the 190. So I can't get at it to do a decent job fixing it right there, so I'm going to have to pull the front end out from under the tractor, which I don't think is going to be a terrible job. The thing I'm most concerned about is the pulling the front pivot pin out. Maybe it won't be that bad. It's possible that when someone fixed that before, they had the front end out. But that's the one thing I'm leery of. I'm kind of expecting a struggle with that. So the first thing I've got to do is get some of my scrap metal and make a stand here to support the front of the tractor when I have the front end out from under it. So that's today's job. It's a little bit cold outside today, and I'm not sure how long I'll be out here, but I at least want to get my stands made today and get ready for warmer weather. I have very little firewood left, so I'd like for it to be a little warmer when I work out here. It's cold enough that the GoPro battery died, so I guess that's a sign that I should probably probably call it quits for today. I got my stands constructed and bolted on the front of the tractor, and I'm pretty confident that these will hold it up. So I'm going to leave it here for today, gird my loins for the battle with the front pivot pin, and pick this back up again when it gets a little warmer. It's the next day, and it's actually crept up above freezing, so I decided to come out here in the shop a little bit. I've got the pitman arm off, and yeah, it's not super duper sloppy, but I do not like it moving. If it's moving a little bit, eventually it'll move more and more. So we'll keep going on this. Well, there's the front pivot pin. There was a snap ring in there that holds it, and I've got the snap ring out. And there's a 3/8 threaded hole in there to remove it. So I'm going to screw some ready rod in there and see if it's inclined to move any. Well, I can't believe this. Is it actually moving? Okay, I have to look. Holy crap, it's coming out. Well, this is unexpected. I was expecting a struggle with this, but it's really not coming out very difficult at all. I've got a jack. I've got the tractor, front of the tractor jacked up, but I've got the weight off of the front end, but I suspect someone must have had this off in the relatively recent past, because this doesn't act like something that's been in there for 60 years. I'm certainly not disappointed that I'm not struggling with it. Well, I'll get this removed, and I'll bring you back in a bit. Well, there it is. The front pivot pin. I still can't believe it. It could not have come out any easier. This shows almost no sign of wear. I mean, I can only speculate, but I have to believe this is not the original one. I have to believe this has been replaced at some point in time, because it's, you know, no wear on it at all. So I guess I was worried. All my worries were for naught, because, like I said, couldn't have been any easier. So now I have to take the rear pivot bolt out, and then we're ready to go. Boy, I tell you what, my GoPro does not like the cold. But anyway, I've got this out where I can deal with it now. So here's what we've got here. And you saw the pin, the front pivot pin, which looks almost like new. This bushing goes in there, and it looks really good too, but it does not fit really tightly in there. So my best guess is something catastrophic happened. The original pin broke, original bushing wore out, and someone sort of fixed it. But I need to do something a little different here. So I've probably had enough fun out here for one day. It's supposed to warm up a little bit next week, so I'll get back at this then. Also, this morning I ordered new tie rods for it, you know, as long as I'm at it. I tell you what, the long as I'm at it will get you every time. But anyway, I've got a bunch of cleaning to do. I've got a bunch of grinding to do on that weld. So this will be it for this video, and we'll bring you back in about a week for part 2. So until then, everyone out there, have a good day.